If you want to change the wallpaper on OPPO Find X9, then in that case we need to open Settings. Next in Settings we're gonna choose Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. And then in here you can scroll up to reveal this section in here, and we have the wallpapers option. So we can go over here and you can go through all of these classic wallpapers. We also have Color OS wallpapers and some other categories that you can of course go through in order to try to find your favorite one. So also we can tap on more wallpapers in order to open a store with different wallpapers, of course. But also at the top we can choose a wallpaper from a gallery. We also have carousel wallpapers, which allows you to change the wallpaper every time you go to the lock screen. And finally, let's choose any of these wallpapers. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Let's choose apply to, and we can choose where we want to apply it. And let's say I'm just gonna apply it to the home screen only. And we're gonna tap on apply. But also before we do that, remember that you can tap on the home screen in order to, for example, take a better look at how the wallpaper looks like. We can also go to style in order to, let's say, apply the blur effect or some other stuff in here. And we also have system colors and icons and so on and so forth. So tap on apply in the upper right corner to save the wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.